आपसे वायदा किया है कि अपने हर एपिसोड में हम आपको रूबरू कराएंगे एक ऐसी शख्सियत से जिसका समाज पर, एजुकेशन वर्ल्ड पर बहुत ज्यादा इम्पैक्ट है। इसी कड़ी में देश के कोने कोने से हम एमिनेंट इन्फ्लुएंसर्स को आपसे जोड़ रहे हैं। इसी कड़ी में आज हमारे साथ ऐसी शख्सियत हैं जो आज के परिवेश के लिए शायद बहुत अप्रोप्रिएट है, जिनके जीवन से, जिनके अनुभवों से हमें सीखना। फ्रेंड्स, आज लॉकडाउन में, स्कूलिंग में, एजुकेशन में हम बात कर रहे हैं कि एकाएक हम सब लोग एक नए परिवेश में आ गए हैं। स्कूलों ने पढ़ाई शुरू करी है, ऑनलाइन क्लासेस चल रही हैं। जहां पे एक तरफ क्लासरूम में क्लासेस होती थी, वहीं पर अब ऑनलाइन मीडियम को हम लोगों ने इस लॉकडाउन, इस सोशल डिस्टेंसिंग के टाइम पर फॉलो किया है। और ऐसे में ही हमारे पास एक ऐसी शख्सियत है जो ऑनलाइन करिकुलम डेवलपमेंट, ट्रेनिंग, ऑनलाइन एजुकेशन से बहुत करीब से जुड़ी रही हैं। एंड शी हैज बीन a teacher, she has been an educational administrator, and she has covered the journey of her professional life from almost all across the country, and she is none other than Charu Maini from DAV Gurgaon, the principal of DAV Gurgaon, Gurugram now. And friends, that is where we have an eminent guest right now, straight away, waiting in the School Times virtual studios. So allow me to welcome her and connect to you straight away. Welcome to Ed Talks with Amitabh Charuji.
Wow, thank you so much, Mr. Amitabh. What an introduction.
It is really a pleasure meeting you, चारूजी। और आपके प्रोफाइल को जब हम पढ़ रहे थे और स्टडी कर रहे थे, हमें लगा कि शायद इस समय में जो आपका अनुभव रहा है, जो आपकी जर्नी रही है, उससे एजुकेशनल लीडर्स, टीचर्स, पेरेंट्स सभी को ही बहुत बेनिफिट करेगा। सो थैंक यू सो मच फॉर अग्रीइंग टू बी पार्ट ऑफ आवर शो स्ट्रेट फ्रॉम गुरुग्राम टू
my privilege. Thank you.
And as we are always saying that lockdown may have physically locked us down, but we are socially connected. There is no social distancing, there's only physical distancing.
You're right.
And we are going to make the best use of it, ma'am. So do I have your permission to initiate our introduction?
Yes, please.
Now, first of all, as I was going through even in our earlier online interactions before this show, when we were interacting to understand each other, उसमें थोड़ा सा मुझे समझ में आया कि आपकी जर्नी राजस्थान के एक छोटे से शहर से शुरू हुई, और वो वहां से निकल के वो पूरे वेस्ट में महाराष्ट्र, बॉम्बे तक भी पहुंच गई। और उसके बाद इस समय यू आर सिटिंग in Haryana, in Gurugram, in the NCR zone right now, and you are having a lot of connect with the curriculum development. You have been working for CBSC, NCRT, one of the largest educational portal of the world, SWAYAM. I understand from your background that you had some association there as well. आज की तारीख में लोग जहां पर ऑनलाइन क्लासेस को समझने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, आज से कुछ साल पहले ही जब गवर्नमेंट ने ये इनिशिएटिव लिया, you were also part of the team which was working on that. So thank you so much, and that is where I would like to know, from that small town, how did you have you always visualized that your journey is going to be like this?
Thank you, Amitabh, for this question. Actually, I never visualized what I'm going to be as I am here today. But from the very beginning, बचपन से ही मम्मी ने एक चीज जरूर सिखाई थी, जो चीज करो शिद्दत से करो, दिल से करो। एंड उसमें मतलब एंड शी यूज्ड टू से कि चारू एक जगह घुस जाती है ना, तो फिर उसको निकालना मुश्किल हो जाता है उसमें से। तो दैट वाज द काइंड ऑफ अ थिंग। तो बस जो चीज करी दिल से करी, एंड आई थिंक बिकॉज ऑफ दैट आई एम वेयर आई एम नाउ. From the beginning, yes, I studied, as you rightly said, Khetri Nagar, a small township in Rajasthan for copper mines, where I studied in a Kendriya Vidyalaya, where all the employees of the town, the copper mines, the kids of them used to study. So from there, taking on to Cubs and Bulbuls and Scouts and Guides. So Mama used to always say कि आगे बढ़ते रहो, failure को मत देखो, आगे participate करना जरूरी है. I think that got engraved.
That's fantastic. आपकी बातों से लगता है कि आपकी मदर शाहरुख खान को बहुत अच्छे से समझती हैं शायद, या उनके डायलॉग राइटर्स को जो उन्होंने आपसे बात कही कि Absolutely, I'm sure that जब आप किसी चीज को इतनी शिद्दत से चाहते हैं, सारी कायनात आपको उससे मिलाने के लिए साजिश करती है. जो आपने एक बात कही, आपकी मदर ने जो आप में एक वैल्यू इंस्टिल करी कि चारू बस आप लग जाओ लगन से और चीजों को करते जाओ, मुश्किलों की चिंता ना करो, और शायद वही शिद्दत है जो आपको यहाँ तक लेके आई. और मुझे लगता है कि आज की तारीख में हम सब लोग जिस परिवेश में रह रहे हैं, ये बहुत इम्पोर्टेंट है कि हम ये ना सोचें कि क्या मुश्किलें हैं, हम ये सोचें कि जो भी वक्त है, जो भी चीजें हमारे आसपास है, जो भी हमारी सिचुएशन है, उसमें हमारे लिए अपॉर्चुनिटीज क्या है, और अगर हम वो करेंगे तो शायद चीजें आगे बढ़ती चली जाएंगी. So I think
can I add a song here? Am I allowed?
Yeah, I would. I know you are a amazing singer.
No, I won't be singing, but this is a song very close
I would,
to me
if you can,
from that movie इम्तिहान, रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के.
क्या बात है. Can you just say it lyrically?
रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के, कांटों पे चल के मिलेंगे साए बाहर के. Very close to my heart. So just this song keeps me moving. Yeah.
रुक जाना नहीं कहीं तुम हार के. I think all the viewers who are listening, I think I don't know whether your students ever heard you hum a bit or not. They are going to see it, and I'm sure they are going to enjoy it a lot more. Your students, your teachers, everyone. Thank you so much for these lines, and you are very, very apt about it in the current moment. Ruk jana nahi kahin haar ke. And I think we as Indians, हारना तो हमने सीखा ही नहीं, तो हारेंगे तो नहीं, हम जीत के ही निकलेंगे. और इस पूरी लॉकडाउन के बाद भी एक न्यू वर्जन ऑफ आवरसेल्व्स बन करके निकलेंगे. न्यू नॉर्मल को हम बहुत ओपन आर्म से वेलकम करेंगे. Now, as you quite rightly said, this journey, ये जो आपकी जर्नी थी, this journey required an attitude which you had, and a lot has depended on the upbringing and the value that your mother has instilled in you at that point of time. Here, I would like to know that you are an educationist. You are talking about the importance of your mother's upbringing and the value installation in you. So, how important is in today's context, value education, and what do you think is the role in togetherness of parents and school?
Very valid question, very pertinent question for this time. And the combination of parents and school together only can carve a well-groomed, well-rounded human being who can add positively to the human resource of the nation. And that is my intent, that I give a human resource to my country who is contributing positively to the nation. And in this respect, yes, parents play a big role, because they have to see to it that the things are not served exactly on platter to their kids. Because many a times nowadays what happens is that there is plenty with the parents, and they just try to keep giving कि मेरे बच्चे को चोट ना लग जाए, कहीं मेरा बच्चा गिर ना जाए, all those things. तो अगर हम हर राह पे संभालते रहेंगे बच्चे को, तो फिर तब बच्चा नहीं आगे बढ़ सकता. उसको गिर के उठने की क्षमता, एक रेजिलियंस जो है ना, रेजिलियंस बहुत ही एक इम्पॉर्टेंट लाइफ स्किल है, जो कि बच्चों के अंदर सिखाने में एक पेरेंट्स का बहुत बड़ा हाथ है. और इसीलिए हमें आगे बढ़ते रहना है. तो लाइफ स्किल्स में व्हेन वी टॉक अबाउट, देन देयर आर वन इज the life skills which will help the child to survive. I'll call that as survival kit or survival life skill. थोड़ा सा बनाना, थोड़ा सा सुई में डाल के बटन टांकना, थोड़ी सी फर्स्ट एड, isn't it? And कभी बल्ब बदल लेना, ये बहुत बहुत ही इम्पोर्टेंट चीजें हैं जिनसे हम अपने बच्चों को दूर रखते हैं, और आई थिंक हमने बचपन से ये सब किया, एंड आई पर्सनली डिड दैट फॉर माई किड्स। बोथ आई हैव गॉट 2 किड्स, और दोनों के लिए मैंने देखा कि मेरे दोनों बेटा बेटी दोनों को इतना तो खाना बनाना आए कि वो अपने आप को सर्वाइवल कर सकें, अपना खाना पीना, और अगर कुछ फट जाए तो उसको सिल सकें, और अगर बल्ब खराब हो जाए तो उसको चेंज कर सकें, और
Absolutely.
that is needed. Yes.
And I think parents need to provide this guidance a lot, and parents also need to be very gender neutral about getting these training to the child. It's not that सिलना सिर्फ लड़की को आना चाहिए और
Both of them.
बाहर के काम करना सिर्फ लड़कों को आना चाहिए. I
Both
think
of them
that would be something that everyone has to be really careful about.
Yeah.
Now, here I would also like to point out, I was talking to my office team just few days back that we, as you are aware, that one of my, other than the school time, one of my primary venture, my other venture is HLS India, Human Learning Systems India, where we have a lot of training, consulting work that we do. So we have one module and with training that we do at our center is of survival skills training, and where we have these kind of things. And I was telling my team that let the lockdown open. This is one area where we are going to have a lot of boost of people coming.
You're right.
Takers,
and in fact, just to add, sorry, because like I said, the role of the parents, similarly for school. In my school, I've got a SMERT team. SMERT means School Medical Emergency Response Team. So I have the SMERT commanders in my school who know how to behave, how to act in the time of disaster, what kind of first aid to be given. So this is a life skill that the students of my school.
I would like you to elaborate on this part a little more. That I'm sure that many educators and teachers
it was just
like
a brain one day because it was just close to my heart that we have to put all these skills in the students. तो जो हमारे co-curricular activities और उसमें होती है, तो कुछ ऐसा होना चाहिए besides dance and music जो कि बच्चों को basic life skill दिखाए. So I was sitting with my teacher teams, and I have a school medical room. A doctor, trained doctor is there. She is also very good, Dr. Minakshi. So we said कि okay, we will create a team. अब team का नाम क्या होना चाहिए? So we started brainstorming, and then we called our school council, student council also, and then together when we sat, we came out with this name, SMERT, School Medical Emergency Response Team. Okay, so here, so we do some seminars, some also we do some role plays, kind of. हाँ, we do role plays जहाँ बच्चे ग्राउंड में मतलब नाटक करके ग्राउंड में कोई गिर गया, को कुछ हो गया, फिर बच्चे उसको उठा के लाएंगे. Because you know that I said because at school time I was a guide, scout guides में थी, पहले बुलबुल में थी, because ये मम्मी ने बीच में डाला हुआ था. Then when I went to college, Miranda House, so I joined NCC, so I was junior under officer there. So मुझे लगा कि ये सब चीजें ना बहुत जरूरी हैं कि इंसान को आनी चाहिए कि कैसे अपने आप को एडवर्सिटीज में घबराना नहीं है, मुसीबत में घबराना नहीं है, आइडिया लगाना है. तो वो वाली जो बात है तो ये आया उसके लिए.
I think so I could tell my audience that you can expect a lot more creative ideas in this session. The beginning itself is very, very encouraging. Now this is getting a little naughty question in my mind to ask. You have created a medical emergency response team in your school. And I know that you are blessed with a grown-up daughter and a son. I would like to know a little bit about them. And have they never had any complaints from a mother who is a working professional and so very involved in the work? So, what kind of challenges as a mother that I would like my audience to know the mother in you and the challenges that you faced while they were growing up.
Maybe like ज्यादा तारीफ अपनी करनी नहीं चाहिए, लेकिन आपने जैसे मैंने बोला कि जो चीज करो उसको शिद्दत से करो. जब मम्मी के रोल में हूँ तो पूरा मम्मी के रोल में हूँ, जब वाइफ के रोल में हूँ तो पूरा वाइफ के रोल में हूँ, और जब टीचर के रोल में हूँ, प्रिंसिपल के रोल में हूँ तो पूरा घुस के टीचर और प्रिंसिपल के रोल में हूँ. So as mother, yes, I had my share of my fights with my daughter and my son कि भाई बहुत ज़्यादा वो है, लेकिन मैं कोई बहुत ज़्यादा ना nagging टाइप, शायद my daughter would be listening तो बताएगी कि तो मेरे ख्याल से मैंने उनको खुला आसमान और खुलापन दिया कि हाँ, अपनी गलतियां करके सीखो.
Okay,
when my daughter was in class 9, that was the 8, 9, that was the time when this mobile and all those things came. तो अब तब हमें सिखाना था कि how to have proper etiquettes. अगर एकदम से मना कर दे कि ये नहीं करना है तो बच्चा जरूर उस तरफ जाएगा. ये सब चीजें भी हमने अपने पेरेंट्स से ही सीखी कि कभी उन्होंने हमें ये नहीं करना है बिल्कुल नहीं सिखाया. Have pros and cons. Weigh out pros and cons, and in this my husband also helped me a lot, and for each and everything that we did with our kids, weigh out pros and cons. You think तुम्हारे सामने पत्ते खुले हुए हैं, अब तुम पिक करो क्या करना है. what would you like to do. गलती होगी तो भी तुम्हारी, और अगर जीत होगी तो भी तुम्हारी. तो I think because of that we did it. जस्ट बहुत ज़्यादा इधर से उधर चंचल मन है तो वेवर कर रहा है. एकदम से ध्यान आया कि जब मैं जैसे बताया खेतरी नगर राजस्थान छोटे से शहर से निकली, मिरांडा हाउस में आई, तो पापा मम्मी का ही रोल नहीं है, पापा का भी काफी रोल होता है. तो आई वांट टू टेल दिस. तो पापा सुन रहे होंगे तो वो थोड़ा ही विल फील कि मेरे बारे में. सो पहले दिन जब यूनिवर्सिटी जाना था तो ही सेड कि 86 नंबर की बस है, चांदनी चौक से चलती है, नानी यूज्ड टू स्टे इन चांदनी चौक, तो यहाँ से चलती है, तुम बस में बैठ जाओ और पहुंच जाओ यूनिवर्सिटी. पहला दिन पापा अकेले यूनिवर्सिटी, छोटे गांव, मतलब स्मॉल टाउन गर्ल, और हाँ क्या है, यहाँ से उतरोगे बस विश्वविद्यालय आएगा, वहां पर उतर जाना, तुम कंडक्टर को बताना. ओके जी, चढ़ गए और उतरे. एंड बिलीव यू नॉट मी, मैं जब उतरी तो क्या देख रही हूँ, पापा इज ऑल्सो गेटिंग डाउन. मतलब आई गॉट अप टू द बस, तो मैं ऊपर से, मैं आगे से चढ़ी हूँ तो पापा मेरे को बोल बाल के पीछे से चढ़े. मतलब वो ये कि पीछे से सहारा देना ना, कि एकदम से बच्चे को ये नहीं पता चले कि हम हमेशा साथ में हैं तुम्हारे. द चाइल्ड हैज टू नो, मतलब पेरेंट इज देयर. तो दैट इज, मतलब दैट रियली टच्ड मी, और वो मेरे अभी तक मेरे दिमाग में एकदम जैसे बोलते हैं ना इंगित है.
I think it's a beautiful experience that you've shared, and I think it can be a lesson and an idea for a lot of parents who are watching this show right now. In fact, 2-3 things from your own parenting experience that you have for your children and from your parents. I think one of the very important point that you said, wherever you are, give your 100% and learn to switch on and switch off.
Yes.
When you are at school, switch on your professional mode. When you are at your workplace, switch on your professional mode. When you come back home, you are totally a mother.
और आजकल कोविड के चक्कर में बाई नहीं है तो झाड़ू पोछा कर रहे हैं तो स्विच ऑन.
It's a 24 hours.
Yes, get into it. खुद खुशी हो रही है कि वर्कआउट भी हो रहा है. देखो पोछा भी मैं अच्छे से रगड़ के लगा रही हूँ. So that है ना, so that it's whatever you do well, so you will
that
get.
Itself will bring about a perfect balance in life. And second thing you pointed out during your sharing here, that you have given your children एक खुला आसमान. आपने उनको मौका दिया गलती करके सीखने का. And then in the context you shared the story of your own life when you were going for graduation, going to university. Allow me to caption it that you, I, everyone have that one invisible man who's always there, and your dad was a perfect example. He has literally made himself invisible while he was being protective about you, ensuring that you do it on your own. आप अपने आप जाएं, अपने आप चीजों को सीखें, गलती करके सीखें, but then he was there if anything goes wrong, at least he would make sure that once that everything has gone off well. Thank you so much for sharing that. I'm sure there's lots to learn. Parents, allow your children a space where they will blossom. उनको अगर आप वैसे बड़ा करना चाहेंगे जो आपने सोचा है, trust me, आप उनको अपनी सोच तक सीमित कर लेंगे। हो सकता है उनमें कुछ आपकी सोच से भी आगे का हो, एंड इसीलिए जरूरी है कि उनको वो उनकी स्पेस प्रोवाइड की जाए
You have
ताकि वो अपनी
touched
इंडिविजुअलिटी
very nice. Actually, may I add, कुछ ज़्यादा पेरेंटिंग पे हो गया, but just थोड़ा सा in at home when I was with my kids, because I am a science from science background, chemistry is my subject. So खाना बनाते time तो it was in me observe, मतलब बच्चों को भी एक scientific attitude होना बहुत जरूरी है.
Right.
And this is, you don't have to be a science graduate to have a scientific attitude. And what is that scientific attitude? You should know how to observe. Observe karo.
Right.
Collect your data. Okay.
Right.
And after observation and collection of data, you try to think that what works best and why this happened, and why this not, and conclude. This is what is scientific attitude. And if we do this in our relationships, I would know why this person is behaving like this with me. Collect your data, and then you do it. Okay. And at home in your kitchen, okay, आज दाल ठीक नहीं बनी, that means आज ये सब किया था, तो you are collecting your data and doing it. So that scientific attitude in you is very important, and which I always did with my kids. कभी मैंने अपने बच्चों को, though I was in the school and I could have gathered all the question papers from the library and all those things, मैंने ऐसा कभी भी नहीं किया कि उनको दिया जाए इस तरह से, ठीक है, कि गलती करके सीखेंगे और बढ़ते रहेंगे. होमवर्क है तो जितना अपने आप होता है, अपने साथ मिल के एक फैमिली टाइम स्पेंड करना, that is having a good family time, good family bonding is very important. When I was moving to Miranda House, I'm a hostler at Miranda. So all my relations, they because they were at Delhi, तो वो बोले थे कि दिल्ली में होते हुए दिल्ली यूनिवर्सिटी में हॉस्टल में रहने की क्या जरूरत है, और हॉस्टल में मम्मी को बोला गया कि बेटी को मिरांडा हाउस और वो भी हॉस्टल में डाल रहे हो, अब बच्ची तो तुम्हारी सोच लो क्या बन के निकले. तो मम्मी ने तब एक बात बोली थी कि कीचड़ में कमल खिलते हैं, मुझे अपनी परवरिश पे विश्वास है. I heard that, and I think that faith, well, from here I wish to bring in faith in parenting is much important.
I think so beautifully said. Faith in parenting is very important. Believe in your child. As I always talk about Mohan ka funda, and I would like to share an MKF here to all the parents. That is Amitabh Mohan ka funda. The MKF, friends, in today, right now, at this point of time, is whatever you focus on will grow. आप अपने बच्चे में जिस चीज पे, अगर आप नेगेटिव पे फोकस करेंगे तो वो ग्रो करेगा, आप पॉजिटिव पे फोकस करेंगे तो वो ग्रो करेगा. आप बिलीफ उसमें शो करेंगे, बच्चे की बिलीफ अपने आप में बढ़ेगी, एंड बिकॉज योर बिलीफ इन द चाइल्ड इज गोइंग टू इंस्पायर belief, and that's what Charuji was just now talking about through her personal experience as a child to her own parents and as a parent to her child, the experience from both the sides. I think that's a beautiful narration. There's a naughty question coming in my mind. You say, I know that you are a chemistry postgraduate and then you got into education. I just want to know that when you go in a kitchen, तो आप सब्जी वब्जी बनाते हैं तो आप you use पानी or you use H2O?
तब मैं पानी ही यूज करती हूँ.
So there is nothing academic about it.
लेकिन मैं कुकर पे सीटी कब लगाऊंगी, उसमें मैं देखती हूँ प्रेशर कब बना.
So I think light vein but a very profound message. Pressure कब बनाना है, कहाँ बनाना है, कितना बनाना है is very important skill for any administrator.
प्रेशर से ही एक और बात आई कि आजकल ना पेरेंट्स बहुत बोलते हैं इस तरह से कि बहुत स्ट्रेस है, बच्चे पे बहुत स्ट्रेस है, हम पे बहुत स्ट्रेस है, प्रेशर है और हमारा बच्चा स्ट्रेस में खत्म हो जाएगा. स्ट्रेस है तो स्ट्रेस को रिलीज करो. व्हाट इज स्ट्रेस? Stress is pressure. And I was just listening to Sister Shivani once in her talk, and I really took it from there. She said, what is pressure? Force upon area. If you increase the area, the force that it is putting will decrease, isn't it? So
Right.
if there is pressure, you have to divide it by something. And what is it? That is resilience.
Right.
If you have faith in yourself,
Okay.
you know you will bounce back. रुक जाना नहीं तू कहीं हार के. No pressure, no stress is going to harm you. जिंदगी है, प्रेशर तो आना ही है, कुछ ना कुछ नया, ऊपर चढ़ाव, नीचे गिराव, सब होता जाएगा. But if I have that in me, then
absolutely,
that is resilience is a wonderful life skill that the child should have, and me as parent and as an educator, as the principal of the school, this is a very close to my heart life skill that I feel my kids should have.
Absolutely, and so beautifully said that resilience is an important life skill that we all know, and pressure hai to usko divert karna seekho. That is very, very important. And as a psychologist by profession, I would like to emphasize कि friends, stress और pressure कोई देता नहीं है, हम लेते हैं. और हमारे इसीलिए एज पेरेंट इट इज इम्पोर्टेंट कि अपने बच्चों में वो स्किल डेवलप कीजिए जो अभी अभी चारू जी ने बोली, वो रेजिलियंस डेवलप कीजिए ताकि उनको समझ में आए कि प्रेशर को कब कैसे कितना लेना है और उसको कैसे चैनलाइज करना है. It will become a productive energy in your child. Now, this brings me to another very important aspect of your life, and that is, I think every principal is a teacher sometime, and you are, you've been an educational administrator, a principal, and but before that you were a teacher. और एक टेलीविजन पे बड़ा पॉपुलर सीरियल आया था, वो हम लोग मजाक मजाक में उसके टाइटल को जरूर यूज करते हैं, सास भी कभी बहू थी. हर प्रिंसिपल भी
मैं तो बहुत टाइम तक टीचर थी.
and that is where my question that is coming is, जब हम लोग it is seen, it's not that it is happening everywhere, but then teachers often have this कि ये प्रिंसिपल ऐसा है, अच्छा है, बुरा है, स्टाफ रूम में उसके बारे में मजाक भी हो जाते होंगे हेड्स के बारे में. तो जब आप प्रिंसिपल, जब टीचर रहे होंगे तो आपके भी जो प्रिंसिपल्स रहे होंगे उनके बारे में या तो आप खुद उसका पार्ट रहे होंगे या बाकी लोग उनके बारे में बात करते होंगे, ये अच्छा है, ये बुरा है. सामने तो हम लोग सब लोग अच्छी अच्छी बातें ही करते हैं.
In that way, I would say that I was blessed that most of my career I worked under a wonderful person, Mrs. Anita Makkar, who was the principal at my school DAV. I was working at DAV only, so under her mentorship. Right. So शायद उनसे भी यही सीखा कि खुलापन दो, आगे मतलब टीचर हैज टू बी मोटिवेटेड फ्रॉम विद इन. मतलब तुम अपॉर्चुनिटीज दो, जिनको ग्रैब करनी होगी करेंगे, जिनको नहीं करनी होगी नहीं करेंगे. किसी के क्या घोड़े के गले में नकेल डाल के आप पानी तक लेके तो जा सकते हो, लेकिन पिलाना नहीं. तो आपने अपॉर्चुनिटीज क्रिएट करी है, उसके बाद जिनको लेनी है वो लेंगे और उनसे देखते हुए बाकी लोग आगे बढ़ते जाएंगे. अच्छा, इन्होंने इस अपॉर्चुनिटी को ऐसे पकड़ा और वो यहाँ पहुंच गए या उनको ऐसा प्लेटफॉर्म मिला, तो उसको देख के और बढ़ेंगे. तो आई थिंक दैट इज व्हाट आई लर्न फ्रॉम हर, एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई एम फॉलोइंग, ट्राइंग टू फॉलो, आई वुड से.
That is fantastic. I would be curious that when you shifted or graduated to your from teachers teaching coordinationship to becoming a principal of a school. So what in your whole journey as an educationist, as an administrator, as a teacher, one life experience which you think was very interesting, unique, and challenging?
That ways, I would say that I have got a wonderful team with me, and maybe I would pat my back also for this for some time. मैं अपनी बैक बीच में जो पैट करते रहना चाहिए, तो उससे खुद ही सेल्फ have faith within. Yes, you are doing good, you are doing good. तो नहीं, ठीक है, हो सकता है टीचर्स को कुछ ना कुछ बातें मेरी ना पसंद आती हूँ, I do not know, but मैं यही कर रही हूँ कि उनको we are giving them a proper platform to work, to flourish, various activities that they can design themselves, various activities that they can do with their students and group, ताकि उनको अपना अपना प्लेटफॉर्म मिलता जाए और वो आगे बढ़ते चलें.
That's fantastic. Before we go further, with your permission, I could see that there are a lot of people who are already there viewing us live right away. We have Gyan Dhawan, we have Neha, we have Dinesh, we have Shakespeare Israr, Manoj Kumar Panda, Taru Pankaj. There are a lot of people who have joined us. We have people commenting and people emphasizing on the SMRT as well in our chat box. We are seeing Saheli. We have Pooja Sharma. Pooja Sharma is acknowledging the wonderful parenting tip which you have just now shared. So there are a lot of people who have come in. So I think I will take this opportunity to encourage my our viewers right now. अगर आपके पास कोई सवाल है या आप चारू जी के बारे में उनके लाइफ एक्सपीरियंस से कुछ और जानना चाहते हैं, कुछ समझना चाहते हैं, प्लीज feel free to put your queries and concerns in the chat box. हम कोशिश करेंगे जितने भी ज्यादा आप लोगों के क्वेरीज और क्वेश्चंस को हम लोग एंटरटेन कर पाए. But then first we will try and know a little more about her. We have Sunita Arora also joining us here. We have Sabina Duggal. We have Divya. There are a lot of people are coming up there. So we will take, we have Swati Malhotra. We have Tismi Nair. There are a lot of people who are there. So friends, feel free to put in your questions and queries also while I take you further into journey with Charu Mani. Charu Mani ji, allow me to, when we come to your title, Mani, I think your CV also personifies your title, Mani. You have been very versatile at many places, many experiences in life in this journey that you have taken up. And aapke, you have been even when we talked, aapko maine baat kari for inviting you on the show. You were busy doing some CBSE or NCERT trainings, some workshops and all that you were involved with. You have been associated with online portal. There's so many things that you have been associated with. So which side of your life you enjoy and value the most? The trader in you, the principal in you, the teacher in you, the content writer in you, the technical advisor in you.
तो ऐसे ट्रेनर बनो कि लोग कहें वाह क्या कहा है. So that's so I love Touchwood. God is great and he is guiding me. Faith within. Yes. I love each and every aspect of my life.
So
the way it is coming.
Now that brings me to a very important area where a lot of people, a lot of schools, a lot of teachers, a lot of principals, a lot of management, हम सब लोग अपनी अपनी तरह से चीजों को इस लॉकडाउन पीरियड में लोगों तक पहुंचाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. एजुकेशन को जितना ज्यादा संभव हो एक नॉर्मल कंटिन्यूटी देने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं. ज्यादातर स्कूल जो भी प्रोग्रेसिव स्कूल्स हैं अक्रॉस द कंट्री उन्होंने ऑनलाइन क्लासेस शुरू करी हैं. ऑनलाइन क्लासेस के जो चैलेंजेस हैं बिकॉज एवरीवन वाज मोर प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर live classes rather than going live on a software or a program which is making them online rather than having a live classrooms. So they are still live. The only difference is not live in physical sense but live online. And teachers का अपना inexperience है online side में. स्कूल सिस्टम भी अभी पूरी तरह प्रिपेयर्ड नहीं था. काफी स्कूलों में प्रोग्रेसिव है. आई अंडरस्टैंड आपके स्कूल में काफी समय से ऑनलाइन कंपोनेंट पर भी काम हो रहा है एंड यू हैव बीन पार्ट ऑफ वेरियस वेंचर. आई नो दैट the SWAYAM I mentioned, one of the world's largest educational portal, arguably, which is there. You have been part of the team when it was coming up. Even IIT you were part of some content development for online processes which were there when they were going to develop a lot of videos and other things which are there. So I would like give a little time to chew on your experience and take it to my audience about online experience and your expertise is in curriculum making. क्योंकि अभी तो हमें ये भी नहीं पता कि इस समय करिकुलम में क्या मॉडिफिकेशंस करने चाहिए when we are going for online classes and everyone is working with good intention. So from your experience, I would like to share some technicalities that
out here. I would like to say, when we say curriculum, there are two parts of the curriculum. One is the syllabi that we bring to the we offer in the books and take it to the classrooms. Nowadays, we're taking it to home. And besides that, there is a very important component of the curriculum that is a hidden one, that is the life skills and getting the child ready for life. What we have to do is we as the school leaders or teachers, we have to see to it that my child is ready as a lifelong learner. He knows how to learn, unlearn and relearn. अभी जो हमें, जैसे आपने अभी बोला, जिस तरह से हम पढ़ाने के आदी थे, वो अब हम वो नहीं कर सकते हैं. तो what did teachers do? They relearned a new technique. And yes, it is happening in my school, but not only in my school, all over India. It's really heartening to see. लुधियाना में, अमृतसर में, जलंधर में, जहाँ भी मतलब जहाँ पता करते हैं, बिहार में, सब जगह अपनी अपनी तरह से सब लोग ऑनलाइन करने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं और जुटे हैं नया तरह, है ना. तो दिस इज अ लाइफ स्किल फॉर द किड्स कि कुछ भी स्टैटिक नहीं है. You have to be prepared for anything that comes to your life. It's a VUCA world, they say. Volatile, unpredictable, complex, ambiguous. You don't know what's coming across to you. Isn't it? So,
absolutely.
Who will win? कौन जीतेगा? कौन सिकंदर बनेगा? वही जिसको नया चीज सीखने में कोई डर नहीं है, नई चीज करने में कोई घबराहट नहीं है, और नए चैलेंजेस को लेने में फेलियर से जो नहीं डरेगा, वो ही जीतेगा. And in this, when I come to your online portals and all, so yes, because I had my share of doing some video lectures for NCERT with CIET way back from 1997-98. The new education policy, the NCF, was developed in 1995. After that, I had this privilege of being there. So that was also by chance that I landed up there. तो वही मैंने बोला ना, जब शिद्दत से किसी चीज को चाहो तो पता नहीं, शायद ईश्वर उसको देता है आपको. तो वो कुछ प्लान नहीं किया हुआ था, but yes, it fell into my lap and then I grabbed it. Though at that time my son was only 3 years old. तो उस समय फिर मतलब किस तरह से बच्चा भी है, साथ में ये काम भी मेरा एक बहुत मुझे दिल के करीब वाला, जिसमें मैं ऑनलाइन कुछ रिकॉर्डिंग्स कर सकती हूँ, वो मिल रहा है. तो कैसे करें? So my husband, my support, he came, my mother and mother-in-law. So it's a whole family. When someone grows, it's a family support which is needed. So at that time, I started with this my online, my video lectures, etc. And then came this MOOCs, the SWAM. Okay, so I first did the MOOCs. For MOOCs means massive open online courses. So I did the MOOCs for undergrad level, just the writing part. I was not delivering there. I was into the content development team because it was for the undergrads and I am not a doctorate. Okay, so I was at the back end helping, but that research helped me grow. Seeing others helps you grow. So that was there in me, that I have to keep learning. और वो कहते हैं ना, सब्जी के ऊपर धनिया और मिर्च जब फ्री मिलता है तो अच्छा लगता है. तो besides teaching, तो टीचर तो हर कोई है, मुझे उससे अलग होना, ये एक अंदर से. उससे अलग कैसे होंगी? जो बाकी लोग नहीं कर रहे हैं वो करने की कोशिश. तो ऐसा कुछ खोजो, कहीं पर कुछ हो रहा है तो उसमें अप्लाई करो. तो उस तरह से यहाँ तक पहुंचे. तो MOOCs में काम किया. फिर उसके बाद यहाँ पर CIET में 11th और 12th का कोर्स कंटेंट डेवलप होना शुरू हुआ, जहाँ पर यू हैव टू डेवलप द कोर्स एंड आल्सो रिकॉर्ड योर लेक्चर्स. So I did that for this. On SWAM portal, we have this. So MHRD has come out with this beautiful portal of SWAM, Diksha.
Ma'am, I'm sorry for interrupting you at this point of time. Now that you're coming to SWAM portal, I could see there are some of our viewers at the moment, Gyan Dhawan, Suman Singh, there are some people, they are specifically asking, can you elaborate a little more on Swayam Portal? What is Swayam Portal all about? So if you can just give a little more detail
Okay,
about
so
it.
this is a portal developed by MHRD, and under MHRD, it is being developed at CIET for school teaching, and consortium of education. It is for the undergrad level. वहाँ दोनों जगह पे काम चल रहा है स्वयं पोर्टल के लिए. तो मैंने जैसे बताया CIET जो NCERT के साथ है, सेंट्रल इंस्टीट्यूट ऑफ एजुकेशन एंड ट्रेनिंग, उसमें उनके लिए 12th स्टैंडर्ड तक के बच्चों के लिए ये ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज बन रहे हैं. इस कोर्स में क्या है कि यू कैन द चाइल्ड हैज टू लॉग इन और अपना लॉगिन अकाउंट बना के ये बेसिकली जो दूर दराज के इलाकों में जहाँ पे टीचर नहीं मिलेगी, जहाँ पर कोई आपको गाइड करने वाले नहीं है, वो उन बच्चों के लिए बहुत अच्छा है. वहाँ पर उनको लॉगिन करिए, अपना चैप्टर पढ़िए, चैप्टर के साथ में फिर असाइनमेंट्स हैं, उसको असाइनमेंट करो, असाइनमेंट के आंसर्स हैं. सो वो करते हुए आप अपना आगे आगे बढ़ते जा सकते हैं. सो दैट इज. देन देयर इज दिस दीक्षा द पोर्टल. तो दीक्षा में भी बहुत सारे हमारे एंड्रॉयड ऐप है. दीक्षा जो है एंड्रॉयड ऐप है जो गूगल प्ले से डाउनलोड की जा सकती है. इसमें 6 to 10th के कोर्सेज और कंटेंट जो है वो आपको मिलेंगे. फॉर मी, बिकॉज आई वॉज एज इट इज इन्वॉल्व, तो मैंने अपने टीचर्स को ये खुद डेवलप करना सिखाना ज़्यादा चाहा कि पकी पकाए खिचड़ी की बजाय अगर आप खुद पकाएंगे अपनी खिचड़ी और बच्चों को परोसेंगे तो यू विल फील गुड कि दिस इज मी. तो दैट आहा मोमेंट टू गेट कि कैसे हम जब कैसे रिकॉर्डिंग करनी है. तो हम 2 साल पहले ही फ्लिप्ड लर्निंग हमने शुरू करी, इन विच द टीचर सारे पूरा कोर्स कंटेंट हम फ्लिप से नहीं करते थे, लेकिन सम पार्ट ऑफ द कंटेंट द टीचर्स हैड स्टार्टेड डूइंग इट, कि उसको रिकॉर्ड करेंगे या फिर गूगल से कुछ अच्छे साइट सर्च करके बच्चों को बताएंगे that the students will study at home and then they will come back and the teacher will act only as a facilitator where they will be doing the homework or assignments at school. So which worked very well. So our teachers were a little well versed with this flipped mode of learning already. So when the COVID-19 thing happened and we had to suddenly do it, it was not that कि अब अंधेरे में तीर मारे कहाँ से. Before COVID-19, you remember in I think November, October, there was again the schools were closed for some time because of pollution. So schools तो बीच में हाँ इस बार पीछे close होते ही रहे हैं. तो स्कूल बिल्डिंग क्लोज हुई है लेकिन स्कूल के टीचर ने काम करना बंद नहीं किया. तो वो तब भी नहीं बंद किया था when the pollution thing was happening, and now again when due to COVID, जब हमें पता ही नहीं, unprecedented times हैं, we do not know when this is going to end. The teachers are taking it head on.
And you and you quite rightly said that school buildings are locked, not the schooling, not the teaching. And right now teachers are working more than what they used to work earlier, because they are everyone
learning
is in a
new techniques, learning new
technology,
the digitization. Yes,
right. Absolutely. If it is okay with you, may I request you to just share that how is your school going about these online classes right now?
Mm-hmm.
What steps
so
you are
for
taking?
This, as I said, my teachers are developing their own videos. Okay, one, they develop their video, and on the Google platform, Google Drive, they have created the subject specific and class specific pockets where they post their content. Okay, so one thing is the teacher would post there and the child will take it from there, read, and the next day there is a class that happens. We were using Zoom portal, and now we are doing MS Teams. Okay, so we are using that. तो इन दोनों पोर्टल्स पे काम किया, और इन पोर्टल्स को यूज करने से पहले भी लाइक जूम के लिए भी काफी ज्यादा लोगों ने बोला कि बहुत प्रॉब्लम्स हैं, ये सब है. मेरे टीचर्स को टचवुड प्रॉब्लम्स नहीं आई, बिकॉज आई डिड अ ट्रेनिंग फॉर देम. कैसे क्लास को लॉक करना है,
Right.
कैसे एनोटेटर को पकड़ना है, एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स. So basically you have to empower your teacher as the school principal, because you said teacher principal भी कभी टीचर थी, तो क्योंकि मैं टीचर रही हूँ तो मुझे कि टीचर को क्या क्या प्रॉब्लम आ सकती है उसका थोड़ा सा अंदेशा रहा. तो हमने कहा कि पहले टीचर को एम्पावर करो, उनकी क्लासेस, एक माइक्रो टीचिंग हमने सेक्शंस बनाए वेयर फिजिक्स टीचर्स टुगेदर विल, एक तो पहले आईटी टीम के साथ में ट्रेनिंग्स हुई टीचर्स की, दैट हाउ टू यूज दिस पोर्टल. If I'm using MS Teams, what are the things available here? If I have to put my things on Google Drive, how to do it, how to edit it. There were too many things that we had to do for the first time, and the teachers were all into it, getting on and going ahead with new learnings and delivering. So that's how it happened. तो उनको एम्पावर करके, उनको सिखा के, छोटे छोटे माइक्रो टीचिंग मॉड्यूल्स टीचर्स ने आपस में बनाए, एक ने दूसरे को पढ़ाया करा, तो उस ये करके that's how. And then
I think that's a very, very important aspect, that it is not just about straight away going and doing the teaching. There's training component, which is very important. In fact, we, our organization, the mother organization, HMS India, is doing a lot of trainings for various schools, how to handle this online classrooms that in the moment. And there are schools who have provided due training, and even there are many who are still going on providing, because everyone is realizing it is not just about a week or 10 days. It's something which is going to be long term, and it's going to be forever. So the skills that they will invest in developing in their teachers is only going to benefit.
Yes, you're very right. Which, the way the online tests the teachers are taking, and they are getting their result sheets. So they are really very happy with it. And they said, ma'am, even if the COVID-19 lockdown opens, we are going to keep these skills that we have learned. They are so beautiful, because उससे पहले कभी टाइम नहीं मिला, जरूरत नहीं समझी, आवश्यकता ही आविष्कार की जननी है जैसे. तो है ना, तो अब आवश्यकता पड़ी, नई चीज सीखी और उसको अब यूज करेंगे, आगे बढ़ेंगे.
I really love the simplicity with which you are putting things. I'm sure you're making a lot of things very easy for your team and teachers. That's why they love you so much. Now, this brings me to a point to highlight for my audience, as Charuji has quite beautifully said, that when you are, online training requires due preparation. और ऐसा नहीं है कि लॉकडाउन में वो प्रिपरेशन संभव नहीं है, वो किया जा सकता है. There are trainings that can be given to teachers. There has to be, और अगर अभी तक किसी स्कूल ने नहीं किया है तो ऑलरेडी इश्यूज और चैलेंजेस अब सरफेस पे आ चुके हैं. उन इश्यूज को ध्यान में रखते हुए टीचर्स कैन बी ट्रेन ऑनलाइन. जैसे बच्चों की क्लासेस ऑनलाइन हो सकती हैं, वैसे ही टीचर ट्रेनिंग भी ऑनलाइन possible hai. And I think online is going to be part of the new normal that we all are talking about post lockdown. So there should be an investment made with a vision to prepare our team with the skills, the online skills as well. And right now the time is just appropriate to go for the same. At the same time, she shared in our own institution, they have been using Zoom, and they have now changed it to MS Team, Microsoft Team, which is considered to be relatively safer, because there have been a lot of debate about Zoom being safe or unsafe. But I think a lot of things are safe or unsafe when we are not equipped to know how to make an appropriate usage of the same as well.
And that's where very right training is if very, very important. Everything is safe. We should know how to lock ourselves up and how to start.
How to make the use of it. Right. And in her school, they are working on the multiple step process. One step is providing the material, sending the literature to the students so that they can read and study at home. Second step is providing the videos which they can see and understand, and then the online interface like MS Team being used to interact for the face-to-face interaction with the child. I'm sure this three-step process is going to be an effective process which is being used in a school. I'm sure many more educators must be working on their ways and their models. This is what is worked in DAV Gurugram under Charu Maniji there. But now this brings me to the element of training. Training is part of many things that you are doing, and you are part of CBSE training and NCRT content training as well. So can you enlighten us a little more, what kind of trainings and what kind of training teachers should look for themselves, and what educators can also provide, and what is CBSE's vision and the government's vision for training?
When we talk about trainings for a teacher, the teacher has to be trained in two ways. One, the teacher has to be trained in the content, the syllabi, the curriculum that she needs to develop. She has to be made strong in content delivery. And how to deliver that content is another. So one is the teacher should have a strong knowledge, and that learning to learn should be, that intent should be there in the teacher. Another is how to deliver that content. What are the various methods by which she can make her classroom interaction, or this online interaction for that matter these days, interesting. How to gauge that attention, how to hook the child to what she is going to teach. That is much needed. And for that, to bring various aspects from the day-to-day life is very important. This is very close to me, that because I said I started as a science teacher, so science is not in the books. Science is within me, science is outside me, science is all around, it is in the kitchen. Wherever you do, we have science. So, and similarly, other things. If I talk about Hindi or English, so it's all around. So the teacher has to start from what the immediate environment the child is coming from, and should try to connect those with the child. Connecting of the dots is very important for the teacher. The third
I think that's very
kind of training that we need to give the teacher to empower her is to strengthen her in various technologies and tools that she can use to deliver her content. So if we do these three things for the teacher, then we will have an empowered teacher who will make her class also happy and beautiful. We at my parent body is DAV, College Management Committee. We are 40 schools, educational institutes all over India, and our president, Padma Shri Dr. Poonam Suri ji, he also emphasizes this, that एक तो सबसे उनका वही है, स्वस्थ रहो, व्यस्त रहो और मस्त रहो. ठीक है, अगर आप स्वस्थ रहेंगे और व्यस्त रहेंगे और मस्त रहेंगे, everything will taken care of. And व्यस्त किस में रहना है? You have to be व्यस्त in gainful activities, mindful of what you are doing. That is it. And for this, we have various training sessions, in-house training sessions for DAV. Similarly, the CBSE is doing in empowering the teachers. Nowadays, during these lockdown, CBSE is organizing various workshops, 1 hour workshops for teachers on general topics like life skills, happy classrooms. Like in the morning today itself, I did one workshop with CBSE teachers on happy classrooms. That is how to create happiness in the class. And when in this we said happiness in the class, who's responsible? Is it the principal? Is it the supervisory head, coordinator, or the students? कि प्रिंसिपल ने बेकार से बच्चे भर लिए स्कूल में, तो मैं क्लास को कैसे हैप्पी करूं? ऐसे नहीं होएगा. So first of all, it is the duty of the teacher to make the class happy, and for that, she herself has to be happy first. So we started with self-awareness and working on self, the teacher toolkit, how to control your emotions, all those things we did today.
So that's it. So good to know that CBSE is ensuring that there are training of teachers to how to make and keep children happy. And I think a beautiful takeaway for that is only a happy teacher will make children
if
happy.
I come to your house to ask for coffee,
if they themselves
can give me. So if I'm happy, then only I'll be able to create happiness around me, isn't it?
Absolutely. I'll just check if we have few questions here. We have Anita Quatra talking about your confidence and zeal and initiative. We have Pooja Sharma. I think there are people who really appreciate you in a big way. We have this question that how do you see the fate of students uh, who have board exams next year? Isn't it going to be challenging for them?
It's going to be challenging, and everyone, not only the students, everyone from the top is worried and thinking about that what to do.
Right.
Because the students who are in grade 12, whose results are awaited, whose exams have not been held. So everyone is worried how to go about it. Let's see how things unfold and what COVID-19 shows us.
And I would also say at this point of time that this is a sensitive question unless we get clearance from the government in a very specific terms. It will not be appropriate to talk about certain things in anticipation. I'm sure CBSE and ISC and other state councils and boards, their teams are, and the government machinery is working on finding some appropriate ways and measure to minimize the damages. Of course, there are going to be challenges. We cannot say that things will be the way they were as they were before, but I'm sure some smooth transition idea will get generated. Bodies and the appropriate bodies are working on it, and as soon as we have something concrete, we are going to share with our audience as well on that. We have many more people talking about you know I think there is some of your teacher or a parent is also there, Swati Hora, who says that yes, ma'am makes the most challenging things look very simple. We love you, ma'am, very much. So there are a lot of people who have.
I don't want to read that.
Inspired by your leadership.
जैसे निंदक नियरे राखिए, निंदा करने वाले लोग चाहिए, ज्यादा प्रेज से भी.
I got someone who knows you during your school times, who is some Mr. Dinesh Nasa, who says, I know Charu during the school time, 4 years junior to me, and
captain of Tagore
junior to me, captain of the Tagore House, very dedicated, hardworking, passionate, and bundle of energy. I'm proud that she's doing an excellent work in a journey. I wish her all the very best. I think that there were leadership in you from your school time itself. I could see that one of your seniors is making us all know about getting the bell moving out of the hat, the cat coming out of the hat. So, it's really been wonderful being with you, Charuji, and the way we are interacting. I think we can go on and on. So we had some lovely guests before, and we had a lot of very positive feedback. And today, again, it is the same experience with you, learning from you, from your experience, from your dynamism. I think all good things must come to an end, and we are just touching. We have few more seconds before we need to close this today's session. So I would like to take this opportunity, Charuji, for being with us in this show, sharing very candid personal experiences and your sharing. In fact, in this show, we have made an attempt. There are two things which are important. One is facts, and other is data. So we believe that instead of bombarding people with the data, let us bring facts and the experiences of life to people. And you have beautifully shared that. Thank you so much for being part of our show today, straight from Haryana, from Gurugram. Once again, we were really enlightened, and the comments which I'm seeing in the list, a lot of people have really benefited from your presence. Thank you so much for being part of our show.
Calling me. So take care and keep delivering the life skills. उस पे ज़्यादा ध्यान दें. As a principal, I could just say that in the end, Thank you.
Thank you so much. And I would like to tell my audience that मुश्किलें आती हैं, रुक जाना नहीं कहीं तुम हार के. Remember this line, because they are beautiful lyrics of a song, but then is an amazing philosophy of life for all of us to practice. We are in our commitment of staying positive series during this COVID-19 times. Every alternate day, we have promised to bring an educational influencer, a social influencer in Ed Talks with Amitabh. We'll again next week are going to come up with another amazing professional and someone who has, will be our first guest from overseas, straight from the capital of UAE, Abu Dhabi. Anita Singh ji will be joining straight from Dubai on our very next show on 1st of May. On May Day, we are going to go overseas to get our guests. Keep watching Ed Talks with Amitabh at the School Times channel.
All the best.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
God bless everyone. Thank you.